Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Smina Mehboob Teaching. Today we are going to learn about subtraction. Yesterday we have done the topic of addition, one digit addition. Similarly, today we will solve the sums of subtraction, one digit subtraction. Okay? The topic is subtraction. Okay? One digit subtraction. I'm going to write here a number. The number is 8. It is a single digit number. So what's the place value of a single digit number? Ones. What's the place value of single digit number? Ones. Okay. If I'm going to write here two digit number, okay, the rightmost digit's place value is ones. After the rightmost digit, the second number's place value is tens. Okay, but today we will just solve the sum of one digit number. Okay, now I'm going to erase once again. Here the number is 8. What's the place value of 8? Ones. Okay, and I'm going to subtract another number. The number is 4. Always remember the second number in subtraction will be the smaller. Okay, the second number in subtraction will be the smaller. Okay, look at the board. Look at the board. What is the smaller number here? What is the smaller number here? The smaller number is 4. The smaller number is 4. Okay? Make a fist. Make a fist and start counting after the smaller number till greater number. Okay? What is the smaller number? The smaller number is 4. Start counting after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now stop because the greater number is 8. Okay. Now count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. I am going to raise this question again. Yes. Again, I am going to write a number. The number is 9. What's the place value of 9? The place value of 9 is ones. And I am going to subtract another number. The number is 6. Okay. Now, what is the smaller number in this question? From 9 and 6, the number is 6. Remember, always the second number will be the smaller in subtraction. Okay. Then we can subtract. What is the smaller number here? 6. Okay. Make a fist. Make a fist. Okay. Start counting after the smaller number till greater number. Okay. 6. Start counting after 6. 7, 8 and 9. Stop because the greater number is 9. Okay. Now count the fingers. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? The answer is 3. Yes. Okay. This is a very simple and easy method to solve the sum of subtraction in one digit number. Okay. Hope so you will like this video and it will help you in subtraction. Okay. Wait till next video. I'll come with a new operation. Okay. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.